to switch cast with your foot. And what you would do is you put your foot on the back side of your board like this, and then you would have your back foot like this. When you would do it, you would lift up your back foot and push down with your back foot, so it does that. And when you land, when you have your back foot lifted up, you land like this. And when you do it, you kind of let off the pressure on the back foot. Then you lift up on your front foot. So it will go like this. And as you let off the pressure, it will go like this. So it moves back like this. Like that. So as you do it, as you progress it, you start to do it more faster. And that's what happens if you don't get it. And as you do it faster, you progress more. Foot didn't stick onto it. I mean, you have to have really good grip tape when you do it. And when you lean, if you do it wrong, you would lean back and you would fall back. So leave a like below, it helps me a lot, and I'll post a video about tomorrow probably of doing a switch cast with 360 foot like this. It's the same thing. Alright, never mind, I'll show you now.